this is how Socrates was, and this he tried on everyone. वो सड़क पे निकलते थे और थोड़े इधर आए. So Socrates was like, come here, and he would talk, and the other person would be like, oh my God, what is he talking about? But slowly and steadily he started gaining lot of fans. You know, the youth was really inspired because with the questioning they could realize that whatever he was saying was truth. Whatever he was talking about was something which made sense. But whenever somebody tries to make sense too much and people start to become popular among the masses, who becomes troubled? People in power. उन्होंने कहा ये आदमी सही नहीं है, ये तो डेमोक्रेसी पे पता नहीं क्या बोल रहा है. ये तो कह रहा है कि डेमोक्रेसी तो मीडियोकर लोगों का काम है. शिप का कैप्टन अगर पॉपुलर आदमी हो तो थोड़े ना शिप चलाना जानता है. इसके लिए तो कोई, मतलब समझ में आ रहा है, बड़ी सारी बातें होने लगी. नाउ देवर नो. तो उन्होंने कहा ही इज करप्टिंग द यूथ. करप्टिंग द यूथ, इसको करो जेल में बंद. उसको करा जेल में बंद. जब जेल में बंद किया, when he was put in prison, he had his own fans, his students and fans. They came and they said, boss, there is, you know, these demigods will not understand your truth, so you please run away. We have made all the arrangements, you just leave the prison, because tomorrow you will be given poison, hemlock matlab poison, you will be given poison and killed. Socrates said, okay, look, I can of course run, but then it will not be the right thing to do. It will not be the right thing to do. I am not against state. I don't want to escape anything. I just want the truth to come out. And that is why he did not run. He took that hemlock, and it is one of the most courageous acts of truth which he did. तो इसीलिए आज तक हम सोक्रेटिस को याद करते हैं, क्योंकि उन्होंने भागना नहीं कहा. उन्होंने कहा यार, if I am right, then I am right. I don't need to run away from anything. उन्हीं का स्टूडेंट था प्लेटो. अब इन आदमी का स्टूडेंट था और ये सब लोगों का इन्फ्लुएंस था उस पे. All of these people were influencing Plato.